What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update, and hopefully there's been a little bit of progress. Let's go! Blah, blah, blah. Looks about the same here in City Walk. Maybe just a little bit more demo work, but yeah, not much has changed. Hello again, Lighthouse. Always good to see you. Does not seem busy at all today going in. Should be right in. Yep, the ticket booth's over here. Not too busy. Turnstile on the right is not open. And turnstile on the left is. Yep, like usual, no way to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 6 p.m. and we can see Hulk at 40 minutes, 10 minutes for Dr. Doom, 15 minutes for Spider-Man, 25 minutes for Kong. We can see 35 minutes Poseidon's Fury, Sue's Trolley 35 minutes, 5 minutes for Flight of the Hippogriff, smaller attractions 5 minutes, 10 minutes for the Hogwarts Express, 45 for Haggards, and then on the last page Jurassic Park River Adventure 5 minutes, same with Deadly Do-Rights. And hello, Jurassic Roller Coaster Project. I'm not seeing too much different other than a couple new electrical things on top of the maintenance barn. Crane is in the air and it's putting I-beams right across the bottom of that big drop. So maybe in that trench area it's going to be covered a little bit. There is something new over here, the custom painted name art. You can see right here, you can get your name painted with different characters and whatnot. Something really kind of neat and exclusive here as well. Guess what? You can get Marvel characters right there. See? That's pretty cool. Only place that you can actually do that right here, Islands of Adventure. Good to see you again, Captain. Yeah. Yeah, see, the guy knows my name. That's kind of scary. I know, but I gotta say this, Captain. Yeah, I know. I gotta say this, Captain, though. The last time we spoke with you, the fans wanted a ride for you. They say you deserve a ride here at Islands of Adventure. They've spoken. It needs to happen.
What ride would it be, though?
I don't know.
I'm thinking like a spinner ride where you like get to like ride on your shield as it like spins around.
Something. I mean, we already go on amazing adventures with you, Spider-Man. We need something like Captain America, though. But hopefully,
it happens, and I'll be much appreciated for it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It need to happen. I'm just happy to be here myself.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm thankful, guys, that you're here and keeping everybody safe. So have a wonderful time. All right. Thank you. Take care, guys. outside of the maintenance barn. It's pretty much almost enclosed, just have a little bit left, but a lot of work is concentrated over here. Well, no new track on the brake run there, but the structure that goes around it has seen a lot of work. In our last update, we had some interesting concrete formations. Well, one of them right there is done. And we can see here the rest of the S-bend is not in place. I think it's going to be a little while longer until that goes in. Yep, you guessed it. We're over here by the Jurassic Park River Adventure taking a look at all of that rock work, and a bunch of new structures up. Some of the rock work that was pretty much complete is getting some painting done. So this thing right here is very important, as it's the ride vehicle clearance checker. They take it around the track and make sure there are no areas where it's going to hit.
By the drain here, by the exit. Put your stuff there where my friend Andrew is standing. Put your stuff on this line, which is over here. This is the feed, the photo zone. The photo zone. Oh, and if you don't want to reach out and touch her, that's very dangerous. She is quite butty today. And here we go. Okay, whoa! Whoa! We're moving. Whoa!
so here is the first show building with the turn leading from the station right there. And in our last update, well, we had panels that were going on to the side over here, and they've installed new ones right here. So a decent amount of work going on for that first show building. Just in case if you're wondering, the VIP suite is still looking good. And here's the top hat with some of those LSM brakes up top. Now, I know you guys may be thinking normally they're copper brake fins, but we have LSMs up there to basically prevent any rollbacks and also regulate the speed of the ride. And in our last update, we had a crane that was moved over here. Well, it's gone. Lots of new flags all over the place over here by the bypass bridge. For the moment, the water level is down just a little bit, as we can see markings right there on the footings, showing off just the difference. Well, this is a bit different over here at Haggards. Well, they have lifted the virtual queuing. So now it's just a regular queue. 45-minute wait right now, but you can't reserve your wait time on the phone anymore. Alright, I'm starting to feel like Dr. Dolittle here as we got tons of construction fish and turtles. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project, and I am happy to say crews are doing a lot of work for that rockwork structure. Painting is going on, new metal pieces are in the air, but unfortunately no new track work. Hopefully that happens within the next couple weeks, and of course they get everything enclosed very soon. With a tropical system coming, I'm sure they're wanting to work on that very quickly. Normally we would go over to Studios, and the only thing over there is, well, the tribute store. It is open. It did open. It has spooky things, along with all the merchandise that you can find online. So yeah, we're not going to go over there. But we do thank you for watching this video, and hopefully, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.